Only one headlamp is working. The xenon bulb and the parking light bulb in the headlamp must be replaced. Warning: the high voltage in xenon headlamps is extremely dangerous. Switch off the ignition and the lights before replacing the bulbs. Xenon bulbs are gas discharge lamps. A high voltage pulse is necessary to switch them on. First, undo the two mounting screws on the inside of the headlamp. A xenon bulb produces more light while consuming less power than a halogen bulb. Swing out the lamp unit. Due to the high voltage, it is vitally important to disconnect the compact plug on the headlamp. Safety glasses and protective gloves are mandatory when working on xenon headlamps. Mercury vapors and mercury compounds, UV light and contact with hot components all carry a risk of injury. Remove the cover from the low beam lamp socket by undoing the catch on the cover. Observe the warnings about high voltages at xenon headlamps. Turn the electrical connector all the way counterclockwise and unplug. Unscrew the three mounting screws for the retaining collar in order to get at the xenon bulb. After removing the retaining collar, simply take out the xenon bulb. Put the xenon-filled bulb to one side in order to avoid injury. If the parking light bulb is also defective, as here, it must also be replaced. Now a new parking light bulb is installed. As xenon bulbs are gas discharge lamps, defective burners cannot be identified from a blown filament. Usually the internal bulb containing the xenon gas is melted. The low beam shines again, with a new xenon bulb.